Hey guys, Isaiah and Zaria here with Akri. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time. It's just that, well, lots been going on with school and stuff. I had lots to report, what to do. It's really hard. So today I started recording because look what's outside. It's a freaking blizzard here. I need to you guys closer look or a better looking Damus. Look at this. The snow just started 3 minutes ago. No, not 3, I'm just kidding. Like, the snow started like 30 minutes ago, though. We almost have an inch. It's already almost sticking fully. Let's go take a look at the grass. My dad's been working a lot. Holy God. So, write in the description if you know what Call of Duty World War II is, because I actually play a lot on Prestige 1 on level 31. Please run. I mean, my name is, don't even laugh, Meme Man 493. Very soon. Right now, that's it. Alright, bye guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe.